Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today I'm going to make the name Mahi out of wire with a little star on the end. So I cut about a 1 foot piece of wire, and then we'll just go ahead and start the M, and then I'll switch to my smaller round pliers and just to do some of the bends. You can switch back and forth from larger round pliers to smaller, or if you just have the smaller ones, it's probably fine too. If you don't have a large enough plier to do that round, you can always use the end of a pen or something round like that. And we'll just switch back and forth. So we'll do the M here. And I do have tutorials with all the letters of the alphabet that you can check out. I'll link up my other videos below and a whole playlist of names that I've already done. I get a lot of requests for names. I can't get to all of them, but I do my best to do as many as I can. So there's the A, and then we're going to bring this around up to do the H here. And don't get discouraged if you have trouble with the letters. It just takes practice, and everybody develops their own style. My style is a little bit stiff, I would say. It's not as kind of fluid as some people's lettering style, but might be my training as a graphic artist that things seem to be a little more kind of clean lines and stuff. But everybody will develop their style, and whatever works for you is great. So we're going to just form the H. You'll notice I bent it up with my fingernail at one point, but you can just use your pliers if you don't have fingernails and if you don't want to ruin your fingernails. So there's the H. And then to do the I, some people don't do the dot, but I like to do the dot of the I. So I just bend it a little bit to the side, bring it around here. There we go, and bring it down again. You heard a little snap sound. That just meant my pliers were too close to the edge of the wire and they flipped off for a little bit, but you can just be a little more careful, and that doesn't happen because you don't want to really scratch the wire either. So there's Mahi. We have a little bit of extra wire, so let's just try to do a little shape on the end. I was thinking it would be fun to do a star, so let's just try the star. Hadn't really thought this out that much, but let's see if it's going to work. So we just do, if we do a 5-point star, we're going to bring this down here, bend it, and then kind of decide how big you want the star. Maybe to here, it's like 1/4 inch or something. So bend that down here, and then we have to bend this side about the same size. You can measure it if you want to. I'm just going to bring this up here, and you can put any little icon on the end, or you don't have to put one at all. I have in my other videos all kinds of different icons that I've done, from hearts to painter's palettes, all kinds of things. So there's a cute little star, and then what you want to do is just twist the end on here. So we're just going to twist the end around here and clip it. I probably should have done the star a little bit bigger, and I'll just show you why in a minute. Because what you can do is when you hang this on a necklace, you can actually put a little jump ring in there. But it's okay. It's a little lower than that one, but it's totally fine. And then to hang a jump ring, you could either hang it in here on the top of the M, or we can make a loop with this and you can hang it in there. So if you want to do like even a little loop or something, you could totally do that. You could bend it to the back. Whatever you think looks good. Like you can, that's kind of cute. So let's do that. And we're just going to give it a little bend. If you want it to be even more solid, you can actually bend it, twist it around and secure it in place. But if you want it just like really clean lines type of thing, you can just finish it off here. And there you have Mahi. We're going to go like that, and you can put like a little jump ring there and a chain. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire work, be sure to join the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club on Facebook. I'll link it up below. And if you'd like to check out my wire work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so I'll link that up below, and I'll send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you the next time.